And then we hit our warehouse. What's up, fam? This is Ty Blunt here with my MTV Cribs. Welcome to my warehouse. So this is our office. Right now we have 2,000 square feet. Next month we'll have 5,000. We're getting a little bump up. If you guys don't know, we are an estate company that localizes in film and now software. Yeah, so across the walls we have some of the paintings we get from these estates. Some are pretty valuable, some are decent. If you want to see the value of paintings, normally the ones that are hand painted are worth more. You can see right down here. So that's worth more just because it's normally hand paintings is better than lithographs. Lithographs are just a print. We got Henry's seat, we got T bronze, and my desk is over here in the back. We got a couch, you know what I'm saying? To my right is the kitchen, you know. That's where you munch on some fruit snacks all day long, every day. Obviously the bathroom behind us, we got a fridge, good fridge, and a garage sailed microwave. So these are actually some of the, this is like my whiteboard in a sense. I come here and like journal down, and this is what we're doing, listing a platform. So this is our software we have that's coming out. Hopefully it should be here by November. November is gonna be insane. We're dropping software. It's gonna turn the resale game on its ass. Here's some of my daily do lists, and we keep going backwards. And then we hit our warehouse. So we roll through the warehouse. We got our main stuff here, some packing supplies. We have our bigger items. They have tags on here for inventory system right here. Kind of helps us figure out what we're doing. Here's Mr. T Braun hanging out, packing. Hey. On the right we have our shoes. Below here are the clean shoes. Some extra inventory we didn't get rid of. It goes down from oldest to small, and it gets smaller, smaller, smaller. This is my new stuff we just got up. We have the OG scooters. We're fixing those up. Some Persian rugs right here. Extra stuff. This will all be liquidated ASAP. This big ass furniture needs to be gone. And here's our inbound. This is stuff we need a photo. So this is just money that's up and waiting to get done. We're hiring now for more people to start growing and growing and growing. But that's the game plan. Now, get the fuck out of my warehouse. Subscribe, like, comment, peace.